What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I would like to say today is a good day because we are balling again on a budget, baby. Budget, here we come. OMG, I am ready to rock this shit today. Okay, I already hydrated my face with the Daily Hydrating by e.l.f. I don't know if you guys see that. I have been using the shit out of this damn stuff. Got my face hydrated, moisturized, ready to go. It's like breathing. Going to apply my NYX pore filler. I actually purchased this from Goodies. I have the Dewy+Smooth and Fit Me. Okay, it is not a pump, but it's very controllable. This is the shade 310 in some beige. It's a normal to dry foundation. It oxidates real good. So, I mean, I really have been digging the shade because the shade may look light when applied, but once you like really blend it in, it kind of adapts to your temperature of your body heat and it darkens up. And you know what, I'm going in with my Kroger Kabuki brush. Okay, this is my Age Rewind from Maybelline. This is my shade Sable, and I'm twisted. Yes, I have been using it a lot because I am like, okay, let me twist it some more. Sometimes I don't want to put a lot of concealer on my face. I just want to just get the dark circles looking like somebody. So I'm just gonna tap. I'm not gonna like spread it, I'm just gonna tap. Kind of like better, huh? Tapping it from down and going up is a whole lot better when you have dark circles and baggage. I'm just gonna take whatever that's on my brush, go up on my forehead. Let's go ahead and tap some. Tap some of the Maybelline on my forehead and kind of like give it a highlight effect. Okay, with the Real Technique sponge. Got this from Walmart as well. Just gonna blend that in a little bit more. Just gonna prime my eyes with it as well. Oh, if you're wondering what side I'm using because it does look like this, I am using the pointed side. I am so sorry. I should have told you that. My bad. The other end of the sponge, I'm just gonna use the pressed powder Fit Me in Golden Beige. And just go right up under. Not actually setting the under eye yet because I'm going to use my loose powder, but I want to actually set the rest of my face. Loose finishing powder, light medium 20. Just going to set the under eye. I'm not going to use a lot because I don't want to dry my under eye out. Let's go ahead and sweep that off. Okay, now the fun part begins. Using the e.l.f. light, medium, and deep. I'm dabbing in both of these in a contour brush from Profusion. Let's see. Not too bad. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. Okay, I like my shader brush. Like I'm just gonna try to snatch the nose. Hopefully I won't get it too dark. What did I just do? Okay, I'm gonna have to fix this problem because I didn't know I was gonna do that. I won't be doing that again, okay? Bet your damn buttons on that. Now that I got that shit fixed, woo! I won't be doing that again. Let me hurry up and close this shit out of this deep. I need to take a drink on that. Now taking my NYX Summer is Profusion powder and blush brush. I have not used this before, so what is that hanging? What the hell? I like it. I do have the e.l.f. eyebrow pencil in deep brown, and I have the Ardell pencil in soft black. Okay, I'm going on and swirly these eyebrows. I don't know if you guys noticed, but the eyebrows look a hot damn mess. I'm letting them grow out. So the e.l.f. has the swirly here and the actual tip there. So I'm just gonna outline my eyebrows with this, and then we're gonna go in with the feathering pen and fill it in. Okay, see how the feathering pen gives like that feathering effect just by adding, you know, like those light strokes up. I mean, that's some very good shit, and I recommend this pen to everyone. I mean, even ones that have nice brows but just want a nice fill in, that feathering pen is the shit. I mean, if you guys want me to do an eyebrow tutorial, please let me know. Feel free to leave questions and comments down, all the way down on your screen, past all the other pretty faces, and down below there's a comment section. So if you want me to do the eyebrow tutorial, I will. No problem. I will do it for you. I'm going to use the NYX 3 Steps to Sculpt. I think I mentioned this in one of my tutorials before. I'm not sure, but this is actually a great palette. I just want to try that e.l.f. I mean, as you see, it does have the contour, the sculpt, and the highlight. So very convenient, and this is a very good palette. So going with the transition shade first, using the Equate brush. Yes, Equates by Walmart. And just take it and go all around the eye. And never mind the pimples, guys. I mean, they like want to show their ass tonight. So just never mind those pimples on my face. Using the e.l.f. This is the blending eye brush. You can get this from Walmart as well. Anywhere that sells e.l.f. products, I'm pretty sure they have this in particular brush, because this is a popular brush. Besides the crease brush, this brush here is a popular one. So I'm just going to take that blush and just see how it works on the lid. I'm not spraying. I'm just going to see exactly how it's going to look on that lid without a little spray. Using the Wet n Wild, this is the Wet n Wild crease brush. You can get this at Dollar General or Walmart, you know, drugstores. And just get the little highlighter shade that's in this NYX palette. And let's see how it does, like right above the crease with that brown. Oh, it's actually nice. I mean, I'm like kind of like daring with it right now. I mean, because normally I wouldn't put a shimmer or anything up there on that hood. But it actually looks nice. It really does. So let's do it that way. I'm not actually getting the crease because I don't want it to look a hot mess exactly in the crease. Once that crease get oily and stuff, I don't want it to like look bad. So now I'm taking that e.l.f. brush again. I'm just going to tap into that dark brown and matte that crease with it. I'm actually like targeting that outer corner with this dark brown and working it up to the crease. Separating the two glitters. I don't see any bad fallout or anything like that, so let's just brush whatever fallout we have off. It don't look as bad. I mean, I would really expect more fallout than that, considering that that was a blush. You know, this is the Colossal Volume Express. And I love the spoolie. I love the teeth. Apply the highlighter out of that NYX Step to Sculpt. I am going to use my Maybelline brush that I also purchased from Walmart. I am so glad I found this brush because it's actually so great when I hold the product. Oh gosh, it is wonderful. Just gonna get the cheekbone. Not gonna get high and low with it, just the cheekbone. Just to get that nose action going. Using a pair of Ardell natural eyelashes, I am going to use the Duo glue, and it goes on green, but it kind of clears out when it dries. So let's pop up some eyelashes on there, baby. Now, last step, because everything is complete. Eyelashes are on. Do you like these? These are the natural, honey, and they are like so nice. I love these lashes. Ardell make the bomb eyelashes for your budget, honey. When I say bomb eyelashes for your budget, it's the shit. I mean, you can't go wrong. I normally like the demi-levays, but I have yet to find them in like this many in the pack. So I'm having to buy those separately, and they're like $3.50 at Sally's Beauties. So yeah. NYX Dewy. Okay, this is a mini, and I got this from Goodies. This is the Dewy finish. Alright, I'm going for the matte look, but like dewy finish. I mean, because this pink is like calling for, it's like dewy, baby, like saying dewy, dewy, dewy. This lip gloss I have not opened it. It was on sale on the clearance rack at Walmart for $2. This is the Color Stay by Revlon and shade Endless Lilac. I'm dying to see exactly how it's going to look with this pink here. I just love me some pinks. I mean, pinks, purples. I love me some browns too. You just can't go wrong with browns. What do you think about this look? I'm really digging it. I mean, I'm like showing out right now. I'm so ready to go take some damn pictures. It is like crazy. I will go to the Walmart or drugstore and pick these items up with no problem. I mean, I really would. For the price of it, the coverage of the foundation, for the blush even looking okay on the eyelids. I mean, like I said, normally I would like spray it with something, and I could have sprayed it with this NYX Dewy, but no, that would not look good. I probably would just sprayed it with some water and popped it on my lid and been on my way. But you know, that's just what I do. I mean, I do crazy shit. But if you guys like it, please give me the thumbs up. Like I said, don't forget to leave your comments down below. I want to hear from you guys. Hear from you. Let me know how you think about this affordable look and my do-rag that's got messed up. And always, like I always say, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, love you.